So there was a big error in how we were actually handling our tweets. So basically, what was happening is, let's say this is my iPad, which I'm logged in and showing as movie recording, and over here is the simulator. So over here I'm logged in as Ashish, and on this side I'm actually logged in as Tom. So I will, let's say Ashish wants to tweet. So when I click on the tweet over here, and this is actually bad because in the dark mode, my text will not be visible. But you just have to trust me, and I'm typing. So Ashish is typing, show something on the screen. Okay, so that is what I'm doing over there, and I'll click tweet and look at the notice at the screen on the right side. So when I click on the right side, you can see all the tweets from Ashish are basically duplicated. Why is it duplicated? Because I'm actually observing all the values which are there, and then like when the values, so all the values basically come from Ashish. So that is actually not a good thing. We only want tweets to be added once. So for that, what we'll do is, so we are appending all the tweets over here. Before appending the tweet, we want to see if the tweet actually does exist. If it already exists, we are not going to add it. So what we'll check is if contains, we'll actually say let contains is equal to self dot list tweets dot contains, and you can see that this is the thing, this is the closure for that. So what we are saying is if it contains, and let's say the value is tweet. So basically what it's doing is for all of the tweets, we will get, for all of the tweets inside this list of tweets, what we are going to do is we actually want to compare if the value actually exists or not. If the value actually exists, then we actually return true or false. So we'll check, we'll say contains, so we'll check return, so it has to return a value, return tweet dot key. So the tweet dot key is equal to self tweet, no, not self tweet, what's the name of the each tweet dot key. So we are getting all the tweets over here. We are getting all the tweets in the each tweet, and the key actually contains the key of that, and that key we are adding in this tweet, in the structure. So for each of these structure, we'll check if it already contains, then this will actually be contains. So then we'll say if not contains, which means that if the tweet is not already inside the list, then only go there and add it. So add tweet in the list only if the tweet is not in the list. Okay, so that is actually good. Okay, let's actually try it out. So we'll save that, and we will stop it, and we'll deploy it on the simulator. So we have a simulator, and then we'll go to a dashboard, and then we go to our tweets. So these are all the tweets which are there. Okay, let's go and see, let's tweet another one from Ashish. So I'll come over here and I'll say don't show, don't repeat tweets, and then I'll say tweet, and then you can actually see that Ashish, only the values over here, and this actually got updated, don't repeat tweets. So we are basically observing all the tweets from Ashish. As soon as Ashish tweets, our list actually gets updated and it is actually not repeated. This is a real-time thing. So basically, anybody who is, if I'm following anybody and I come to the tweet, as soon as they tweet, my values will actually start appearing over there. So that is basically how you actually show the tweets. So now the next thing that is left is, I think the functionality part is actually done. Next thing what is left is, as soon as a person logs in, we should be going to the dashboard, and from the dashboard we'll actually go to the logout and user profile and stuff like that. So let's actually start cleaning up our app so that it starts looking beautiful. Okay, thank you.